So here we are, diagnosing our problem with the Grow Boss's Grow More, No More Fact cards. We also got his book. We got him at all our locations. He's been really helpful in helping us with our problems with our plants. You see through this video, the CalMag is about our only problem. So here we go. These are our other pretty girls. They're doing really, really good. We're using two Spectrum King LED 90-degree reflectors. I tend to put too much light on my stuff, so I decided to go with LEDs. I can't wait to try a couple other lights next month. We're not sure what we're going to do yet, but we're working on it. Definitely LED. We're loving the way they do. So, thanks to the Grow Boss, we've been sending him videos and talking to him, and he's been helping us out, diagnose some of our problems. Too much light there, we got to change that around. It really is a lot of help. We got his hotline too. Between his cards, his book, and his hotline, the best $100 we ever spent. We invested more into some crap that didn't work. Now I got something that'll help us and something to bounce ideas off of. That's what's nice about the Grow Boss. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right. Here's the other side. You got to clean it up again. It keeps growing. I'm really excited. This grow's turning out really good. Thanks, Grow Boss. All right, peace. So how do you watch the video?
Here, I'll do it. It's kind of weird.